Good morning, dear students. I am Mehta Banjum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, SKNG Government First Grade College, Gangavati. So, students, welcome to our next session. Subject is, the program is BCom, subject New Venture Planning, semester, third semester, University Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari. So, our today's session is 10th one. Okay, New Venture Planning, techniques for generating ideas. In today's session, let us learn about what are the techniques which are available for generating or creating or obtaining new ideas. Then the objectives of our today's sessions are to generate a business need, and the second one, to help start up business. Okay, and third one, to support entrepreneurial process to increase survival rates for startup companies, and to make use of resources and services. Outcomes: the student can learn the important technique for generating ideas which are helpful in starting a new venture. Okay, the students will come to know what are the important techniques by which they can we can generate an idea or obtain an idea for starting a new venture. Recap session: sources of innovative ideas. Techniques for generating ideas. Introduction: innovation is application of inventions. Innovation is application of invention and discovery to make new combinations and thereby produce satisfaction and profit. Okay, customer satisfaction is very much important. If the product is innovative and innovative one, then if the product is innovative one and good one, then the customer satisfy plays a very important role. Okay, it will affect to the customer satisfaction. If the product is very innovative and very attractive, then the customers, if the customers are satisfied, then it enhance the profit level of organization. Then little benefit of mankind unless it is marketable. Innovation is a specific tool. Of course, innovation is a specific or important or a special tool or technique of every entrepreneurs. The which means that by which they exploit change as an opportunity for different business or a different service. It is capable of being presented as a discipline, capable of being learned, capable of being practiced, according to Peter F. Drucker. Then, techniques of generating ideas. What are the techniques or tools which are available for generating new ideas? The first one is focus group, brainstorming, problem inventory analysis. Fourth one, scamper technique. Fifth one, the thinking hats technique. And the sixth one, the storyboarding method. And the seventh one, the mind mapping method. Let us know one by one. First one is focus group. These are the groups of individuals providing information in a structural format. Okay, focus group is nothing but these are the groups of individuals. They provide the information in a structural format. Then the second one. Then next, a moderator leads a group of people through an open in-depth discussion rather than simply asking questions to solicit participants' response. Here, the moderator is going to be discussed with the group of the people in depth rather than simply asking question. Such groups form comments in open and in-depth discussions for a new product area that can result in market success. In addition to generating new ideas, the focus group is an excellent source for initially screening ideas and concepts. Then next one, second one is brainstorming. Brainstorming is the second technique which are available for obtaining or generating new idea. It is a group method. This is also a group method for obtaining new idea and solution. It is based on the fact that people can be stimulated to greater creativity by meeting with others and participating in organized group or experience. Okay, according to brainstorming method अथवा brainstorming method believes that when the people meet with others and by participating in organized experience group, okay, there are more chances for creativity, and for generating new ideas. Then the characteristics of this method are keeping criticism away, freewheeling of ideas. Freewheeling of ideas is nothing but free movement of ideas from one place to another place, from one individual to another individual, or one person to another person. High quantity of ideas, combination and improvements of ideas. Then such type of session should be fun with no scope for domination and inhibition. Brainstorming has a greater probability of success when the effort focuses on specific product or market area. Then the third one, problem inventory analysis. It is a method for obtaining new idea and solution by focusing on problem. Here problems ಮೇಲೆ focus ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. From that they are going to obtain a new idea and solution. This analysis uses individual in a manner that is analogous to focus groups to generate new product or areas. Then however, instead of generating new ideas, the consumers are provided with list of problems and then asked to have discussion over it, and it ultimately results in an entirely new product or ideas. Okay. However, instead of generating new ideas, the consumers are provided with list of problems and then asked to have discussion over it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ದ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಾಬ್ ಎಬರ್ಲಿ and is a method used for problem solving and creative thinking and problem solving method, scamper. So scamper stand for substitute. Substitution technique refers to replacing a part of your product, concept or process with another to achieve even better outcome. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ because to achieve a better result outcome. Then C stand for combine. The combine technique explores the possibility to combine two ideas into a single, ಅಂದರೆ 2 or 3 ideas into a single idea ನಲ್ಲಿ combine ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, which gives them more effective solution. Adopt. A stand for adopt. Adaptation analyzes the possibilities to make the process more flexible and focuses on other similar incremental improvements to the idea, process or concept. Fourth one, modify. M stand for modify. Modifying the idea looks at the problem or opportunity from a bigger perspective and aims for improving the overall results, not just the idea. Okay, which is aim for achieving overall result. Then P stand for put to another use. This approach focuses on finding ways to use the idea or existing solution to another purpose and analyze the possible benefits if applied to other part of a business. Then E, eliminate. The elimination technique is quite straightforward. This is a straightforward technique. It examines the possible outcome if one or more part of the concept were eliminated. Then R, reverse. This action focuses on reversing the order of interchangeable element of an idea. So this is scamper. Fifth one, the thinking hats technique. Okay, this is also known as 6 thinking hats technique. This method was invented by Edward D. Bono. Involves role play. So this method related to role play. Okay, in a group of 6 people ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 6 thinking hats ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, 6 people. Okay, each person takes up a different role. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and addresses the problem in that capacity, and they are going to focus on the problem. One participant uses logic to think about the problem. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಿಸಮ್, ಎ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಡೆವಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್. The others take up role for emotions, creativity and management. As each person take up a role, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೋಲ್ ತಗೊತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. A storyboarding is like a cartoon strip. Okay, it is like a cartoon strip. You place pictures or written words to do with ideas one after the other on a sheet of paper. Then you try to develop a story through them. See, the storyboarding method is a new kind of workshop. It is a new kind of workshop for people that want to perfect the art of presenting ideas. Then the course teaches a step-by-step and repeatable framework for creating presentation using the power of story. Okay, when you storyboard ideas for an ideating session, you take ideas from everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೆಕ್ಕಿ ನೋಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Mind mapping method. Creating mind maps is common in many creative fields. To create a mind map, you write down the problem on a whiteboard. Whiteboard ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, and then surround it with words that indicates the things that you feel you may need in order to solve the problem. So mind mapping is a powerful note taking method. Mind map not only highlights important facts but also show the overall structure of a subject and the relative importance of individual part of it. And if the problem is growing website traffic, for instance, the solutions are the things that you need, like CEO or organic traffic. Then MCQs. Innovation can be, first one, A, disruptive, B, sustaining, C, nourishing, and D, answer A and B. So the answer is D, disruptive and sustaining, A and B. Second question, opportunity discovery can be enhanced with which of the following? Okay, A, prior knowledge, B, work experience, C, education and personal event, D, all of the above. And the answer is D, all of the above. Third question, it's an institution to set up a network of technical consultancy organizations in the country. A, TCO, B, ITC, C, EGB, D, none of the above. The answer is TCO. TCO is an organization or athwa institution to set up a network of technical consultancy in the country. Okay, and fourth one, entrepreneurial behavior includes A, solving problem, B, taking initiatives, C, taking responsibility, D, all of the above. So the answer is of course D, all of the above, because the entrepreneurs, they are problem solver, initiative takers and responsibility takers. Okay, then fifth one, why should an entrepreneur do a feasibility study for starting a new venture? First, A, to see if there are possible barriers to success, B, to identify possible sources of funds, C, to estimate the expected sale, D, to explore potential customers. Okay, the answer is A, to see if there are possible barriers to success. So today's our 10th session. We learned about the different techniques of idea generation. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಮಿಂಗ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, fifth one the thinking hats technique, sixth one the storyboarding method, and the seventh one the mind mapping method. So here innovation and inventions plays very important role. Okay, references: UK Incubator, Identifying Best Practice 2001, Innovation and Entrepreneurship in Developing Countries, Impact Assessment and Lessons learned from InfoDev's Global Network of Business Incubator. Then second one, Robert J. Thomas, New Product Success Stories, Villay first edition, December 3, 1994. Third one, A. Sahe and V. Sharma, Entrepreneurship and New Venture Creation, CH5 Incubation and Innovation, P991121. Fourth one, Entrepreneurship Development, Dr. G.B. Balegar, Ashok Prakashna, Hubli. Okay, this is our 10th session. Thank you.